Beans telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say.
Hey and welcome to Rentio videos. I'm Chef Shivani Mehta. Today's recipe is quinoa rice served with lentil cottage cheese veggies. If you love superfood like quinoa, which is full of fiber and protein, you're going to love this recipe for sure. This is a hit recipe made with very simple seasoning and easy available veggies. So let's not waste the time and start making.
Tell me, can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on? Down the bottom in the home, there's no sane ways, there's no explanations. I've got things I tend to moan. In these times, just please be patient. Be my shore, you be my home. Drag us out and build us up again. Put things right, let me go. No way of knowing if there's still time. Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me? Can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on? Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me? Can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on?
Look away and just look away. What would you say if things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine. Look away, you just look away. What would you say if things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say? Please just talk to me if things ain't fine.
Beans telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me? Can't you say what's really going on? What's really going on?
So there are a lot of recipes which you can try with quinoa, but this is one of the best recipe you must try. Don't forget to follow our social media pages of Rentio and do recommend your friend and family to follow the same. Thank you for being with us.